You ready to get lit?
Yeah. I just wanna see the light. 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 I just wanna see the light.
Okay, so we made it in Athens. I just took an hour-and-a-half nap and Caitlin went and walked around without me, but we're here. Really, really excited. We made it! We're on our way to the Acropolis now, and you can see behind us there's some lit stuff. It's very hot.
Like 39 degrees at least. Hot.
Yeah, but you know, we napped. We're good to go.
We're
Have
ready for the hike.
1.5 liters of water, €1. So yeah, we're excited. That's it. Talk to you later.
So fucking romantic that you can't even handle it. I'm California magic, and I can keep your candle lit. And we could sail the oceans and swim in the Atlantic. And you could say I'm hopeless, but I'm so fucking romantic. I'm so fucking romantic.
I don't want to eat this anymore. It was so good.
We were lovers for the first time, running on the red lights. The middle finger was a peace sign, yeah. We were sipping on emotion, smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and we owned it, yeah, yeah. We were high and we were sober. We were on and we were over. We were young and now I'm older, but I do it all again. Getting drunk on the train track, way back when we tried our first cigarettes. Oh, $10 was a fat stack. I do it all again. Oh, bought my jacket and a snapback. Your dad's black Honda was a Maybach. Oh, restacks on the playback. I do it all again. Oh.
I've tried the crescendo. I like.
This is one that she said tastes like Chardonnay, right?
Yeah, it does.
Chardonnay, please.
Shard it up.
Shard it up. Let's get sharded. That just sounds like you sharded yourself.
wild ride, speeding for the finish line, coming to the end of our time, yeah. Started off as a wildfire, burning down the bridges to our empire. Our love was something they could admire, yeah, yeah. We were high and we were so.
We're swimming. Look at her go. Look at her go. We're going up there to rock jump. Let's just take a moment and look at where we are.
Oh my god, it's so high.
This part's the awkward part because it's a very high.
Oh my god, it's like half my body height.
Yeah. No, 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 no.
I want to see someone first.
How are you feeling pre-jump, Sandra?
I'm fine.
Make sure you hold on to your hat.
Should I just like take it off and grab it?
Yeah, roll it up or something. This is super tight around my...
I should have just took this off, but you know, got that headburn going on.
Look how pretty the water is.
Look how pretty the water is over here.
Everywhere.
As I point to the whole fucking sea. Okay.
There we go.
There
You can see clearly now. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I'm holding it out like this so you're
Yeah.
in it. After this girl goes.
Adriana's good.
I'm actually gonna like pee myself.
Yeah. It's, okay.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
Yes, I can.
Okay, we have to go
Is it like
slightly.
a 1, 2, 3 go, or like 1, 2 go? Like
I just do like
no,
step,
but we need to
step.
count together.
So we're just gonna stand on the edge and jump. It's worse this way.
Yeah, I know, but we need to go at the same
Okay,
time.
step, 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 go. Slightly go that way and I go this way.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Tell me when.
I'm not ready.
You can do it.
I'm scared of heights.
So we have to go.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Getting drunk on the train track, way back when we tried our first cigarettes. Oh, $10 was a fat stack. I do it all again. Oh, bought my jacket and a snapback. Your dad's black Honda was a Maybach.
What I would do to take away this fear of being loved, allegiance to the pain. Now I fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. I would give anything to change this fickle-minded heart that loves fake shiny things. Now I fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, I'll never be like you. How do I make you wanna stay? Hate sleeping on my own, missing the way you taste. Now I'm fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. Stop looking at me with those eyes, like I could disappear and you wouldn't care why. Now I'm fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you.
absolve me of my sins, won't you? Oh, falling on my knees, forgive me, I'm a fucking fool. I'm begging, darling, please absolve me